Good day, everyone. We have a laptop to repair. That's the laptop Lenovo. It's a Lenovo Idealpad 110-15 IBR. The laptop came in as coming on but no display. That's the laptop. According to the owner, I said the laptop is coming on but we don't have picture on the screen. We do have the charging light here. Let's press the power on button. Pressing the power on button. No, the laptop is not even coming on and the charging light just disappeared. Here. Really? So we have to get inside this and see what is the problem with this laptop. Check out all the screws. Let's see what went wrong with this Lenovo motherboard. The back cover. One more screw here. There are so many missing screws here. Maybe someone attempted to repair this. That's the laptop. And this some kind of job from other technicians. They changed so many things. I can see the flags here. Let's check out the heatsink. This already has been worked. So I don't think I can do anything here. I don't think I can do anything. I'll show you why. I'll show you why. I don't. Let's check on a microscope. Let's check on a microscope. You see the flags on top of the processor. You see that flags? So clearly they reflow the processor. You see all these flags? So all these flags around the processor. And here we have more flags here. So this board has flags all over. There's flags all over. And I'm sure that will be a waste of time if I carry on with this repair. Well, this is some kind of Lenovo motherboards with the onboard RAM memory. Even the BIOS was replaced. I can see here, BIOS chip, they did something here. So let's not waste time on this one. What you can do, let me try to look for the motherboard, a different motherboard, and we'll try to replace the whole thing. So what did I find? I found the two identical motherboards, but I'm not sure whether these motherboards are working. You know, this is the most common beginner mistakes on laptop repairs. People, they are rushing to reflow the processor. So this motherboard is a matter of mess. It's a waste of time. I don't even want to attempt to repair this. Why? The processor was reflowed, the BIOS chip looks to be replaced or reflowed, and there's flux all over the motherboard. It's a mess. So what I believe happened, the laptop was coming on with no display. They jumped to reflow the processor. It doesn't work that way. In repairs, you have to take the necessary steps. If the motherboard is not displaying, you have to check the GPU power supply. You have to try to reprogram the BIOS chip. There's no need to reflow the processor if you don't have display on such kind of motherboard. It's a matter of waste time. It doesn't work that way. That's happened when you send your device to bush mechanic. They are trying to get money by chance. It doesn't work that way. So here, ohms. Let's check those coils to here. We have 369 ohms. Here we have like 8 ohms, and I believe this is the processor, the vehicle power supply, and there's 8 ohms. 8 ohms is some kind of disaster. It's very low. So what we can do in this scenario is to take out this motherboard and to try to help the customer. Let's check out this motherboard. This is a waste of time. Let's test these motherboards if we can. This one looks new. Let's try with any of this. Yeah, this is the mystery with processors. People technicians, especially those who are trying to chance a repair without proper knowledge of how things work, they are rushing to reflow the processor. The laptop came in for repair, it's not powering on. They don't know what to check. They just turn on the water station, you reflow the processor. By doing so, you are creating a bigger problem than the one which was there. I would advise even not to do anything. If you can't fix it, the motherboard, and if you can't really know what is the cause of the problem, it's better to return the motherboard to the customer without doing anything. Without doing anything. Because the more you reflow the motherboard, the more damages you will be creating on that motherboard. So we've put a different motherboard here. Hoping to help the customer. I don't know if this motherboard is good, but we'll see. We'll see about it. We have flashing charging light, and it's taking 600 milliamps, and we have Lenovo sign. Normal startup, and this motherboard is working, and it's loading Windows. So, and it's now taking 900, 1 amp. And it's playing music, Rihanna. Huh? It's playing, everything is working. So this is just a working motherboard. So, yeah, that was the repair. We have user password, we can't proceed. What we did here, I didn't fix anything. That was a motherboard replacement because this is a mess from another computer repair shop. The memory chips, onboard RAM memory chips were reflowed, the processor was reflowed, the BIOS chip all over the motherboard, it's flats all over. So if you see something like that, you can start the job, but the chances of succeeding is very low. Because people, they think the motherboards are fixed by reflowing the chips. It doesn't work that way. There are some situations where you have to reflow, and there are some situations where you have to have knowledge of how the power sequence is working on motherboards. There was no need to reflow the processor. And even if you reflow the processor on such kind of boards, based on experience, it won't help. Especially if the laptop is coming on with no picture. Reflowing the processor doesn't help. So now I put another motherboard. This is a lucky customer when we have the same motherboard. So the motherboard is taking 200 and the laptop just came on. Start normally, and it's taking 900 milliamps and it's loading Windows. So the job is done. The job is done, it's loading Windows, it's doing anything. It's taking 1 amp. I understand this laptop was not used for a while, and the battery is still charging at low current. Device is getting ready. We need to see something, and the laptop is on. The keyboard is responding, the touchpad is responding, everything is working fine. So what I'll do, I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates, and see you on the next repair. Bye.